my name is Julie. You are watching Treasures Made from Yarn. This video is my weekly finished object and work in progress video. So yeah, I look at all my works in progress and I seem to have a lot going on. That's to the point where it feels overwhelming, but that's okay. That's almost the norm anyway. I usually have a lot of projects going on. It's just the way it is. So anyway, let us start off with the finished object. If you have seen my latest tutorial, it is this gift bag. It's the Moss Stitch or Linen Stitch gift bag, and I show you how I get it to pull with the mistletoe yarn. So I hope you keep in mind, I hope I said in the video that the number of stitches to get it to pull like this is going to vary from yarn to yarn. I just know for me, mistletoe, it was 68. Made it work for this. So I hope you do at some point get a chance to check out the tutorial. And also keep in mind, you could still just use the tutorial just to make just the gift bag itself without the pulling yarn. You can use one. You can make it in stripes, or you can make it a solid color, or a stripe color, or whatever. Don't feel obligated to make it pull. So that is that, one of the many now growing number of gift bags I have made. So the only other project I got done is the kerchief, scarf, shawl, whatever. I said earlier this is one of my favorites because I usually don't wear shawls, but I like this because I can wear it as a scarf too, if I need to. And I put little, instead of a fringe on the end or tassel, I just put long chains on the end because I feel like the little ends need something, so that's what these have. Yeah, this is one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite patterns. It's really easy. All you do is start at one end with double crochets and you just keep increasing. A double increase until you get about halfway through, and then you start doing the decrease. Easy peasy. But there's an actual link for that pattern, so I will leave that in the description. That's it for my finished projects. The rest is work in progress stuff. So if you've seen the video that I see to see if the Mexicana yarn will pull, and it really does pull. I love it. This is the progress on that. Oh, that's something else. Okay. Sorry, that's something else altogether. This is the progress on that. I am digging this. So yeah, as I was saying, the number of stitches I needed to get it to pull like this is not 86. This one, for future reference, is 80. Actually, it's 86. I got 86 stitches to make it pull like this, and yeah, I love this. I love how nice turned out. So yeah, when I finish this off, I'll finish it off like the other gift bag. I'll just put like a drawstring top on this. I'll just get a few more rows in that, and yeah, that is that. Oh, I love this. So that is that one. Let's see. I don't think I got that much progress on the other projects I got. I started Snowman. I'm now like on the second tier of the Snowman. I think my thoughts on this, that this is going to be part of my Christmas in July videos that I do, because one of the last couple of years what I've done as a tradition was make a snowman for some of my family members. And being that I'm making this in July, I think this particular snowman is going to get a sun hat, and I'm going to make it a bag carrying. Actually, I have a tutorial on to make a Barbie hat and a Barbie bag, and that's what I'm going to make for this snowman. I want to get him a pair of sunglasses too, and I also might make the snowman a beach towel. That's okay, this snowman won't melt in the sun because he is made of yarn. that too cheesy? Oh well. Okay, other stuff. Oh. I didn't do much on the hat. Oh my. All my stuff's getting tangled in here. Yep. Not much done on this hat. I think I may have done a couple rows. But yeah, not much progress on this hat. Actually, not much progress on either my basket. So I'm working on either. I think I'm at the same spot for this peach basket than I was last week when I did the video. I don't think I did anything on this at all. So, but hey, this will be cute when it's done. But yeah, not much progress on this. Yeah, I think I might have done a row. So not much progress on the grocery bag basket either. Because what I've been working on, trying to get done, which I don't think it's still going to get done, is the t-shirt for hashtag Tanks and Tees 2023. That is hosted by Nina Knots Crochet and Crow 80 HD. So yeah, that is how far I am on the t-shirt. I don't know if you can see. I'm not halfway through yet. Almost there, but not quite. I'm really skeptical that this project's going to get done by the end of the month. We are dealing with, after all, this thin, really size 2 yarn. And it takes a while, but I don't like how this yarn splits because this yarn has strands. But I think I showed you last week there's strands and it splits. I get this all the time, all over my project. But that's okay. I'm just gonna wing it. I'm just gonna deal with it. So, yeah, again, the plan was that when I get halfway, that I was gonna put in my neck hole and then proceed to the other side of it. Yeah, and I'm not halfway yet. And yeah, I'm not sure if this is gonna get done by the end of the month, and I'm not gonna worry about it if it's not done by the end of the month. It'll get done sometime. Oh, yes. One other project I started because it is time for the new month for Mystery Yarn Challenge. And if you've seen that video, I did the unboxing of the yarn. And I decided to do Bag O' Days pattern. This is her easy, I think it's called her Easy Blanket. It's a specialized, not quite a, I don't know, it's called the Lark's Foot, I think. It's a specialized, it's a different type of granny square type, but it's almost like a granny square, except you're doing like a long crochet in the one below, in the 3 cluster below it. I kind of like it because it kind of like fills out the holes that you see in a granny square, so it's different. So I'll leave a link for her tutorial in that, but that's what I decided to eventually do, is to make the blanket with the yarn I got. Hopefully we'll see how big this gets. One of my other thoughts, I was thinking if it's big enough to kind of make it a shrug, put sleeves on it, make it a shrug. We'll see how big this gets with the yarn I got. So all I have left are my temperature projects. This one is always up to date. All I gotta do is finish up this row and today's will be done. I still have to get around to sewing in the ends, but yeah, this is getting to be pretty big. And finally, I have June's temperature blanket. And, okay, oh, I got tangled. Okay, getting a little tangled here. So what I've been doing, except for, I think actually where the dark, which was the 90s, I think is the only one where I did one day for the whole row, where even with the one I'm on, I'm like been doing 2 days per row. So yeah, I'm a little behind on this one. I'm on June 8th and 9th. Like one side is, where you see where the stitch marker is, one side is going to be for the 8th, and the other side is for the 9th. Let's see. This side's the 8th, and this side's the 9th. So, yeah, that's my temperature blanket. It's a lot, we're going to see a lot of this color. And I think we had some 70s coming out, so I'll see some other colors in there at some point. So, wow, that's a lot of projects. And that is all the projects I have this week. I hope you do get to check out the tutorial that I did on the gift bag. And if you haven't checked it out, I got the mystery box unboxing, and I have the video for the Mexicana yarn to see if it'll pull. So I hope you get a chance to check those out if you haven't checked those out. If you did like this video, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this, or any of my tutorials or yarn unboxings, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.